Welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Well, I've got a super cool card trick for you today, and it goes something like this. So we start with a deck of cards, and you just fan the cards in front of whoever you're doing this trick with, just to show that they're all shuffled up, they're in no particular order. But if the spectator thinks that you put them in a particular order, what you can do is you can just shuffle the cards up a little bit further. So if they were in a particular order for you, they're now shuffled. And you're going to invite your spectator to cut to anywhere in the deck. So say they cut to that card. Now you would say to them, do you want to stick with that card, or do you want to cut to a different card? And if they wanted to cut to another card, I'm just going to pop the packet back on there and say they cut to that card. Now you would say to them now, you've made a prediction to the card that they have just cut to. And you give them the card box, have a look inside, and they could just pop the prediction in and just close up the card box. And you're going to take their card and you're going to look away, and you're just going to show their card. Okay, so they can see that that's the card that they cut to, and you're just going to take the card, pop it down there, and give them the card box. Let them open it up again. You can have a good look inside. All there is just the actual prediction. Just take that out, take the paper clip off, and just unfold the prediction that I made, and it is indeed the card that they cut to, the Queen of Diamonds. Now I think that in itself is a pretty strong effect, but you can add this as a kicker ending and say something along the lines to the spectator. Imagine if you could take your card and invisibly just flick it up in the air for it to land on this packet. So invite them to do that, just to take their card invisibly, flick it up in the air, and they're pretty good at this because it's invisibly landed on this packet. Invite them to turn over this card now. It's the Seven of Hearts. It's no longer the Queen of Diamonds. If they turn over this card, it matches my prediction and the card that they cut to, the Queen of Diamonds. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this effect. Thank you for making the time to watch this, because there's loads of good stuff on YouTube, loads of good magic, juggling, balloon modelling, and that's not to mention all the other stuff that you probably watch. But if you've enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button, hit me up with a like, leave a comment, and until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.